So yes, I had to ask the question, does pineapple belong on a pizza? Please let me know your thoughts, and please also let me know in the comments box where you're watching this from. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Cheers. Good afternoon, Chef Steele here. So this afternoon I'm going to show you how I plant pineapples. So I've been planting pineapples for around 20 years. I successfully grew around 300 pineapple plants. I'll show you a photo of my harvest. It was probably taken about 20 years ago. But it's my part of being sustainable and minimising food waste. Whenever I have a beautiful pineapple, I do my bit and I save the top and I plant it. So these tops, you can see by the size of the top, these are off a super sweet pineapple, probably around 1.5 kilos in size. From the Philippines, okay, imported here to the UAE. What I've done is I've just cut the top off. I've grilled the pineapple with cinnamon and sugar, okay, and what we're going to do, Patan's going to help. Patan. So what I do is I've let it dry out for a couple of days. Turn around, boy. Okay. We'll just wait for Patan to. There's a good meme that's be tall, stand tall and wear a crown. So he loves it. Okay, so what we're going to do is I've let them dry out, I've cut them, I've removed all the flesh off the pineapple crown, and what I'm going to do is I just dip it into some cinnamon, just lightly like that, just so that bottom, the flesh there that's moist is dipped in cinnamon. And then what I do, excuse me, Patan, is I will just plant it. This is a nice sandy loam soil that I've got here, plenty of compost, some cow manure. Just to plant it, I'm going to hold it firmly and twist it down into the soil like that. A bit of twist and shout, and that's it. And I will leave it like that. I'll be watering it. And now I'm going to show you one that I've prepared earlier. Okay, so this pineapple here is around 1 year old. It's hiding there in the tulsi or the holy basil, which is just absolutely loving it. But you can see there that I've planted the top probably 12 months ago, 1 year ago. It's really happy there. And that's it, well fertilized with organic fertilizer, plenty of compost. It's growing beautifully. Probably around 1.5 to 2 years it will fruit. The fruit will come up out of the stem after the flower is formed, and then we'll be able to harvest our own pineapple. So thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for more gardening tips. Cheers, happy gardening.